In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Teams account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. This process applies to personal Microsoft accounts. If you use Teams through work or school, your organization controls the account, and you'll need to speak with your IT administrator. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your web browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile picture. This menu is the quickest way to jump into your Microsoft account settings from Teams. From that menu, select My Microsoft Account. A new tab will open at account.microsoft.com with your main account dashboard. This is where all your Microsoft services are managed, not just Teams. On the account page, click Your Info. This section holds your profile details and, importantly, the option to close your account. Scroll until you find the Close Account link and click it. Keep in mind, closing here doesn't just remove Teams, it begins the process of closing your entire Microsoft account, which also affects services like Outlook, OneDrive, and Xbox if you use them with the same sign-in. Microsoft will now show you a checklist to make sure you're ready. Take your time with this. Use or move any remaining balances or gift cards, cancel subscriptions tied to the account, back up files from OneDrive, and save any contacts or important emails. If you have files or conversations in Teams that matter to you, download what you need now. Also review any devices linked to your account and remove them if necessary. And make sure recovery info like your backup email or phone number is up to date so you can complete verification. Once you've reviewed the checklist and you're confident you want to proceed, click Close Account. You'll be guided through identity verification, which typically involves entering security codes sent to your trusted email or phone. Follow the prompts, choose a reason for closing if asked, and confirm. After confirmation, your account is scheduled for deletion. Microsoft doesn't remove it immediately. There's a grace period in case you change your mind. If you sign back in during that time, you can cancel the closure and keep your account. If you don't, the account and associated data will be permanently deleted when the grace period ends. That's it. You've learned how to start the deletion process for a Microsoft Teams account by closing your Microsoft account safely and correctly.